Hello everyone, today we'll be making Tindly fry. I'll show you how the preparation goes. If you like this recipe, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Let's start. In a cooking pan, take about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Add about 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder. Add 1.5 teaspoon of rye or mustard seeds. To this add 3 to 4 red chili dry. Saute it for a few seconds. To this add one small onion which is chopped into longitudinal pieces. We will saute this for about 3 to 4 minutes until the onion turns changing color. After 3 to 4 minutes, we are going to add the ivy gourd which has been cut into thin slices, as you can see. This was about 500 to 600 grams of ivy gourd or Tindly. Now you will saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes and then we will add our spices. After 3 to 4 minutes, then I am going to add about 1 teaspoon of garlic paste into this. Add salt about 1/4 teaspoon. Add red chili powder about 2 teaspoon. Mix this well. To this add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of raw mango powder. Add 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Also add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder or Indian spice powder into this. Mix this well and we'll saute this and we fry the ivy gourd until they turn crunchy. If you require, you can add some more oil, about 1 teaspoon of. I have been sauteing the Tindly for about 15 minutes and as you can see it has dried up and it smells very wonderful. This is a very simple recipe and dish. It turns out to be very tasty. I would like you to try this at home. Please like, share and comment on the videos that I make. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, take care and bye bye.